knew where she was going with that. Olivia. Do good girls do that?
Was ever dated Kate?
No. I don't think so.
She never showed the slightest romantic interest in any of us.
They look like honor.
Get out. How much a thing like that cost you?
Nothing. She was 16.
Korean, call toll-free and get this free Craftmatic catalog.
Will you get out of the pocket? What is you?
Special $200 off rebate certificate. Take $200 off the Craftmatic Model 1 bed of your choice. To receive everything free.
Call toll-free.
I don't
There's
want her
absolutely
smoking
no
at such a young
obligation.
age.
Call 1-800-25 Medicare coverage or other insurance.
What's in there?
We work with you to handle all the
Uncle
details.
Doug has
Call
this
now to
long
find out which
pocket.
in-care
I'm sure there's
wheel
got to be
chair is best
something
for
else
you.
in there.
Call Mobility Products Unlimited today at 1-800-913-59.